Hello guys, in this video we are going to discuss about Nifty, Bank Nifty for tomorrow levels, and we will also discuss some stock in the same video that can also enter in our support zone and that can be a good comeback from that zone. So please like this video, subscribe our channel. So coming on a chart, and first of all we are coming on Nifty level. So today, once we will come on a daily time frame, what we seen here, some good volatility we seen here in today's session where Nifty made high of 23,049, and again we seen some good selling pressure from the resistance level, and we seen good closing at a 22,932 level. So once we will come on a lower time frame, what we are seeing here, first of all, for tomorrow's support zone is first support we can assume that level range is 22,850 to 22,800 level. That can we can consider it as a first support zone for a bull market. If that level can break, we will see some good selling pressure, and if Nifty coming on that range, that is the last bull support here, and that support range is 22,732 650 level. And if price come here, then we will see some good bullish structure in a 5 minute time frame or seen some good range breakout, then we can definitely we can go again for a long side trade. And two level we are marking for the tomorrow, that can be a resistance level for Nifty. So first resistance level for Nifty is 23,100 to 23,020 level, and second resistance range is 23,260 to 70 to 23,180 or 90 level. So first of all, that resistance almost 2 or 3 times tested, but that resistance is still untested zone, and that can be a very good for a selling pressure. If price go at this level, we will see some good selling pressure from that level. So once price touch this level, then we need to caution on a long trade side. Now our next index is Bank Nifty. So if you will come on a Bank Nifty chart, or then we will come on a daily time frame, what we seen here, we seen some good selling pressure in Nifty from the higher range, but Nifty trade today is a very good range, and we seen very good high on a Bank Nifty, almost 1% upper side closing compared to previous day, and today's closing is 49,570 level. So once we will come on a lower time frame, what we seen here, first of all, if selling person come in a lower range or coming with low sellers, then that support zone can help us to stop all sellers here. So that range can be considered as a first support zone. Range is 49,300 to 49,250 or 260 level. But selling come very fast with higher quantity of sellers, then we can, then that can zone also break here. So our second support zone for Bank Nifty for tomorrow is 48,900 to 48,720 730 level. Then if price come in this range, we will go on a lower time frame like 5 minute, and wait for some bullish structure on a 5 minute time frame at this range. If we will go for a confirmation trade, where in this market we need to confirmation, otherwise our all capital will wipe out. So if price come in this range, we will go on a lower time frame like 5 minute, and we will wait for a bullish structure, or we will wait for a range breakout, then we can again go for a bull trade. And tomorrow resistance level for Bank Nifty is 49,830 to 49,670 level. That can be a first resistance, first stoppage for a Bank Nifty level, and that range can considered as a second resistance. Range is 50,050 to 49,950 level. That is the study for a Bank Nifty and Nifty. Now our next, we are coming on a stock. Uh, so first of all, if we are coming on a stock, then our first radar is Godrej Consumer. We also discussed same stock in previous video, where today where this stock today give an entry in our uh, first support zone. and after that good closing above it. It means stock already made low of 997. After that, that made very good comeback and closing was 1024. So if we seen as a at recording of this video, we are seeing some dojons showing some good bearness. If our market gap down tomorrow, we will consider this zone also here. That can still a weighted zone. So if price come in this zone, we will definitely go for a long side, but we will go on a daily time frame to 5 minute time frame, and we will wait for a bullish structure on a lower time frame or 5 minute time frame or 15-minute time frame, or we will wait for a range breakout. Then definitely we can again for a go for a long trade. Now our next stock is TCS. We seen good selling pressure in all IT stock, mainly Infosys and TCS. And about TCS, we already predicted in our Telegram channel, or we are seeing a very good downside in TCS or many stock, but we considered TCS in this conversation in Telegram channel. After that, we seen very good selling pressure. Now stock coming in a daily time frame, good demand zone, and that can also support it with weekly time frame. We seen today some good selling pressure come here, and almost that zone is break. But if it open tomorrow flat, then we should go on a daily 5 minute time frame or 15-minute time frame and wait for a bullish structure. If we see in some bullish structure, then I'm expecting some good bounce back from this level. So our next stock is Hindustan Unilever. Some members are messaging me or some members are commenting me on a previous video to cover this stock in a next video. So as we see here, today almost 2% down in HUL compared to previous closing, and now today's closing is 2250. So as we can see here, this range we can consider as a good support zone. Range is 22,000, 35 to 2200 level. It means 2235 to 2200 level, that can be considered as a good support zone in HUL, and that can also supported by monthly support. So once price touch this level, and we will go for a lower time frame, it's showing some bullishness on a lower time frame, definitely we can go for a long trade here. Otherwise we should ignore it because sector not supporting it. Our next stock is Britannia. It also someone comment for cover it. In previous video I already cover it and share my study in this stock. For if sustain above it, then it can go up, otherwise it not. Then what happen here, if we will come here, next candle closing here, but after this closing, after this closing, that candle mid next day stock not able to sustain above this price, then again we are seeing some good selling pressure, and sector also not in uh, FMCG stock support. So FMCG sector also going very good down level, and we can see here FMCG sector. So sector also broken everything. Now what we are seeing here, some almost coming on a good support zone. So maybe it can help it to go upper side. So if we again on a daily come on a HUL, so please consider this level as a good support zone, but we can go with confirmation, otherwise our stop loss definitely hit, because this market is very volatile. Nobody know whose uh, price coming with how many selling pressure. And our next stock is for tomorrow or upcoming 2 or 3 days is sorry, we already discussing about Britannia. So Britannia, we can see here that giving good breakdown level, because if we mark a trend line here, what we are seeing here, almost after so many consolidation, price close below this range, this trend line. Now what we are seeing here, price can hit this level in Britannia, range around 4,740 to 4,630 level. So we should wait it. If you already long here, then I think you will trouble in coming days. If price come in this range is 4700 to 4630 level, then we will go on a lower time frame, and once we will get confirmation for bullishness, we can go for again long side trade here. Otherwise, that time we should ignore it for a long trade. Now our next stock is ULTRATECH Cement. What we are seeing here, ULTRATECH Cement. In last video, we were comment on video to cover it, where we considered this level as a resistance zone. No, a single day price not able to sustain above this line. Now what we are seeing here is again market ready to bear market, convert in a bear market, and then what we are seeing, price can touch this range around 10,700 to 10,006 or 500 level also. And once we will come on a 1 hour time frame, what we are seeing here, below this level, around 11,230 level, we see some good selling pressure at this ULTRATECH Cement. So better to avoid for a long trade here, and below this level we will see some good selling pressure in this stock. So our next stock is DABUR. We already discussed DABUR in two or three videos before about this level, but we seen here, we already discussed here for this level. If that level will break, we will see some good selling pressure. Yesterday that level break by this candle, and after that we seen some good range breakdown in a DABUR. So what we are expecting in coming days, today's closing is 504 level, and that level is still pending here. That level, and range is 4962, 489 or 488 level. Once price touch this level, touch this support range, then we will go on a lower time frame and wait for good confirmation, like 5 minute range breakout or some bullishness on a lower time frame. Then again we can go for a long trade. Otherwise, we should ignore it. So our next stock is Union Bank of India. We seen today good comeback in this stock of every bulls, and we seen some almost 5% upper side compared to previous closing. So today's closing is 114. What we are seeing here, if any suddenly good bounce back done here in this stock, then we can consider this level as a good resistance level for tomorrow or maybe next day. So first resistance level is 121 to 119 level, and next is that range. That range also around 120 to 126, 127 level. So in this range, if price touch this level, we will go on a lower time frame and wait for a small range breakdown or some bearish structure, or if price touch this range, then again follow for a range breakdown or some bearish structure. Because this stock already listed in FNO segment, so I am expecting some good profit booking from this level or this level. So you can consider it as a good selling pressure zone, and you can take it for your profit self trade. Now next stock is Hindalco. So Hindalco very good comeback from this level, and now today almost 2.5% upper side closing compared to previous closing. What we are seeing here for upcoming days, first level that can be considered as a good resistance level, and that range is 638 to 628 level. If tomorrow we seen already this entry almost done here, if tomorrow we seen some good bounce back and price trading in this range, we will go on a lower time frame and wait for a structure where we should wait for a range breakdown or some good bearness, then definitely we can go for a put side. But if very good, if any kind of gap up happen in this stock, or suddenly we seen this kind of candle and touch this range. This range is 661 to 680 level, and that price action origin is 668 to 680 level. That zone can considered as a good put buying zone, so you can track it for upcoming days. But you should know that that zone only work if price touch this level in coming 2 or 3 days. Then fast move can come on a downside, so you can track it for a coming days. Now our next stock is Manappuram Finance. Manappuram Finance, we already seen some good comeback after result. So today almost 7 to 8% upper move done here. So already trading near resistance. So first of all, if you come on a daily time frame, what we seen for proper resistance level 205 to 211 level, we should ignore it for long trade. Once that stock sustain above 211 or 212, then again we seen some good bullishness, and then we will consider that zone as a put buying zone, where 225 to 230 level is a good resistance level. So again, what we can do here, if price touch this level, we will go on a lower time frame and wait for a bearish structure, or we can go for a uh, range breakdown. Then that can give us good amount of money in a put side. So our next stock is MSUMI. MSUMI is a cash counter stock. What we are seeing here, on if you are coming on a monthly time frame, that is a monthly time frame, and good support already entry done here, and price origin entry also done here. So today's closing is 49.59. Once we will come on a daily time frame, what we seen here, almost raised up origin level also entry done here. So in coming days, if price can come more down and showing some bullishness on 15-minute time frame, because that is a cash equity counter. So if price showing some bullishness in 15-minute time frame, definitely we can go for a long trade here with a stop loss of 49, oh sorry, 45. And if tomorrow or maybe next day, if price sustaining above from here to here, around 51 level, then we can again for a upper side, or maybe 50 54, sorry, if price not come below this level, around this range, then if price sustaining above this line around 50.50, then we again go for a long side trade with a stop loss of 47, and then we can expect some target around 51.70 or 52 level. Then next target is 54, or maybe it can hit 56 to 57 in coming days. Our next stock is Infi. So once we will discuss this stock in this video, we have one disclaimer for everyone. This video is only for my self study. I am not recommending anyone to buy or sell from this video. And if you are planning any kind of selling or buying in particular stock or index, so please do your self study, otherwise your capital will wipe out, and your capital is very valuable for you for present time or maybe your upcoming time. So first of all, don't believe in anyone blindly, because your money is very valuable. So first of all, go with your self research. If your study matching with other one, then you can follow anyone, otherwise you can ignore it. So what we seen here in a Infi, if you search Infi in our channel, what you will find here, in this candle we already made a video and confirm it for a good range breakdown here. And after that we made this, when that Infi that when Infi trading here this range, then again we considered this stock in same video. then again stock coming very good enough from that level to that level. Now today closing is 1810. So once we will come on a daily time frame, what we seeing here, some bounce back possible if market support. Then Nifty, Infi support is 18000 to 1790 level. So tomorrow what we can do here in this stock, we should come on a lower time frame like 5 minute time frame. It's showing some bullishness. Definitely we can go for a long side trade with some decent point, not for a very big point. Some decent point we can get here, or we can see some good bullishness on a lower time frame. Then we can also go for a long side trade. Otherwise we can ignore it. So our next stock is Tata ELXSI, that also coming from IT sector. So first of all, if you are learning from our video, please like this video, and if you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel. And still you not join our Telegram channel, you can join our Telegram channel. Where we are providing very good research on daily basis. So you can join our Telegram channel. Telegram link already pasted in this video description link. So you can go on the description box and you can join our Telegram from description column. So once we are coming on a Tata ELXSI, what we seen here today closing is 6017, and support range we can consider this level. One we can go for a marking here. What we seen here, uh, support range is 59752 to 59170, and almost today entry has done in the support range. So what we can do here in this stock, so first of all we should go on a lower time frame like 5 minute or 15 minute, because stock price is very good high. So we should go for a lower time frame and wait for a bullish structure or some small range breakout. Then we can go for again long side trade, or who are waiting for a breakout level, then you should wait for a 6200 level. Once price able to sustain above it, then we can see some good bounce back. uh, then in this case our first target will here 6360, 6400, or maybe it can hit 6500 level. But if Tata Elxsi able to break this level and able to sustain below 5910 level, then we can see some good selling pressure in this stock in coming days. So our next stock is from PSU Bank. What we seen here, if you are coming on a higher time frame, so stock entry almost near monthly support, and monthly support what we are seeing here around 44.50 to 42. So once we seen some again some good bear will active here in this stock, and price will touch this level around 44 or maybe 44.10. Definitely we can go for again long side in this trade with stop loss of 42 on a daily closing basis. So our next stock is SHRIRAM Properties. Same structure also forming here, where we will come on a daily time frame. What we seen here, that support can support us for a good buying range. So monthly support range is 67 to 62 level. Once we will coming on a weekly time frame, same structure forming here, and daily time frame also allowing us to buy it. So in this case our stop loss will 62 or maybe 60 on a daily closing basis. If price not come from here or at downside, we should wait to sustain above 75 level. If sustain, then definitely in coming days we can expect some target around 79 78 first target, 82 83 second target, or may it can hit 87 to 19 level in coming days. So two type of entry here. First of all, if price not coming down, then we can wait to sustain above 75 level. If price coming it is this range around 67 to 62 level, then we can go on a 15-minute time frame, because equity stock we should wait for a 15-minute time frame. And if showing some good bullishness, definitely we can go with 62 or maybe 60 stop loss on daily time frame closing basis. So our next stock is IFCI. So IFCI, what we're doing here, already a stock corrected from very upper range to lower range. One time that stock trading around 90 to 91. Now almost 50% correction done from the high. So today's closing is 45.17. Now we should wait for sustain above this line. Level is 46.20 or maybe 15 level. Once the stock able to sustain here, we will see 48.50 first target, 49.50 second target, or may it can hit 50 to 56 level in coming days if market support. And next thing what happen here, in this case, if break 40 level, if IFCI Limited ready to break 40 level, then again we can see here some good selling pressure in this stock in coming days. So our next and last stock is ASHOK Leyland. What we seen here, after hitting this support range, price coming very good from upper range, and also its quarter 3 result was very good and commentary was very good. That why stock performing very well from the lower level. Now what we seen here, some range breakout already done here. After that breakout, we seen yesterday some retest, and today closing has done. So today's closing is double to 5 level, and what we are expecting here, we are expecting here, that range can be a seller job. So range is 2000 sorry 233 through 242 level. Once price hit this level, if you want to trade only this zone, so that zone is 233 to 238 level. If price touch this level, we will go on a lower time frame like 5 minute or 15 minute and wait for some bearish, or maybe some wait for a range breakdown. If that happen on a lower time frame, definitely we can go for a put side trade. It can very good reward on a very decent time. So hope this video help you for the coming days, or maybe or tomorrow. If this video helping you, please like this video, subscribe our channel for upcoming more useful content. And first of all, if you are not able to understand what I am expecting, what I am telling in this video, because totally language change here from Hindi to English. So if uh, I am not able to explain in a proper way, please forgive, and try to manage it. I will try my best in coming days. So that research for tomorrow. Hope you will like this video. So we will meet tomorrow on Telegram channel.